Good dietary choices and the practice of physical activity can keep your good cholesterol, HDL, and bad cholesterol, LDL, balanced. Having both in balance means a lower risk of heart attack, stroke, and other diseases like Alzheimer's. But do you know what your cholesterol levels are? Do you have high cholesterol? Did you know that your eating habits can reverse this problem? Being aware that your diet can lower your bad cholesterol levels will allow you to live a better life. The diet to lower LDL cholesterol levels is rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grain foods, and poor in saturated and trans fats and in sugar to improve blood circulation. But in addition to these steps, there is a juice that can reverse your high cholesterol and make you healthier: lemon, celery, and bay leaf juice. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Write down the ingredients: 2 lemons, 1 celery root, 4 bay leaves, 2 glasses of water. Thoroughly sanitize the lemons as we will be using both the juice and peels, so we need to wash off the pesticide residues. Watch this video to learn how. If you can, get organic ones. Next, cut both ends of each lemon in half, already squeezed, and cut into small cubes. Put them into a pot. Peel the celery root, wash in running water, then cut into slices of approximately 0.5 inches. After that, cut these slices into even smaller cubes and add over the diced lemon. Add the bay leaves and water, then cook over high heat until it starts bubbling. When it starts boiling, reduce to medium heat and cook for 20 minutes until the celery is soft. Let it cool for 2 hours. Remove the bay leaves and pour the liquid into a glass. The cooking water won't be used, but you won't throw it away. Sweeten with honey and drink it to boost immunity and prevent respiratory tract diseases. Now let's go back to our main recipe. Put the cooked ingredients, celery and lemon, in a blender. Add the lemon juice and blend until it becomes a smooth paste. Transfer to a clean, sterilized glass jar. Add some lemon slices, then close and keep it in your fridge. Eat everything in up to 60 days, 2 months. 1 teaspoon a day while fasting, half an hour before breakfast. Isn't it super easy to do? Did you know this benefit of lemon peel? Try it and share your opinion with us.